Hi, so this is the remix that I made using the object-oriented soundboard. And as you see, there are a couple of things that I kept and a couple of things that I changed. So first I kept the black square canvas, which is, I think it's an interesting highlight item in the layout, in the interface. I also kept the mouse over effect. So if you place your mouse over this area, the color changes. And as you may notice, the color scheme is a little different too. So I used the blue as the background for the page, for the interface, and I also changed the main colors here to green as the initial state color and pink for the mouse over color. I also added this text, the title here, sort of explaining what this page does. And I also changed the shape of the button, which was it was a square before, and I changed it to a triangle. And finally, I changed the outcome of the interaction. So originally it was a sound effect, and I changed it to a song, an actual song. So if you click, a song will start, and that's it. It's a very cool song, and yeah, it has a meaning to me, a very special meaning to me, and I decided to play with it a little bit in my code remix.
Subo nesse palco, minha alma cheira talco, como bumbum de bebê de